What is up, you guys? It's your boy Ed, and I'm back again with another video. And today I'm reacting to LYNYRD SKYNYRD. Now, LYNYRD SKYNYRD is a band from back in the day, but I don't really know their music. I've never really heard them before. I probably have before, but I don't know. I can't place them, if that makes sense. So this is Free Bird. Someone requested this in the comments, actually. This was requested by NB. So NB, this is for you. I'm getting to Hotel California next, so stay tuned for that as well. But this is for NB, LYNYRD SKYNYRD, Free Bird 1976 live performance. Let's get to it. But before we get started, though, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to the channel. We are on the road to 5K. We just hit 4.3K. Thank you guys so much for the love and support you have shown my channel. I hope you guys will continue to rock with me and support me in the future. So this is LYNYRD SKYNYRD. Let's get to it.
Would you still remember me? For I must be traveling on now. There's just too many places I've got to see.
Everyone's just vibing out. Everyone's just vibing.
'Cause I'm as free as a bird now. And this bird you cannot change. And this bird cannot change.
Cool. He's playing live. Everyone's smoking cigarettes like on stage. I don't know if you guys noticed, but everyone's smoking a cigarette. He playing the guitar, just cooling with a cigarette in his hand, just vibing, man. Wow. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I love guitar solo, so I'm gonna go ahead and play that back a little bit just to, you know.
'Cause I'm as free as a bird now. Yes, I am. And a bird you'll never change.
Yo, who is this guy, bro? He's just rocking out. Look at his hair. He got bell bottoms on, just vibing, vibing. Yeah, yeah. Yo, everyone's hopping on. Man. Look, after I get my guitar, it's over for y'all. It's over for all of you. It's over. Wait. Yo, who is this guy? Who is this guy? Someone let me know down below. Yo, this guy is a rock star. This guy is a rock star. Rock star. Rock star. Still going. He's still going. He's still going. Look at him. This is a masterpiece. Look at him, yo. Look at him. No. Yo, that's it. LYNYRD SKYNYRD. LYNYRD SKYNYRD. LYNYRD SKYNYRD. Yo, that was an amazing song, an amazing live performance. I have to say, that one guy, I can't go back. It's on commercial. With the red jumpsuit, with the red bro, that guy, right? I don't know his name. Drop his name down below if you guys know his name. If you guys know who he is, drop him down below. If he has any more, if the group has, if there's any more bangers by LYNYRD SKYNYRD that I've missed. I've missed all of them. This is my first LYNYRD SKYNYRD performance ever. But if you guys know any more songs that I should react to, drop them down below. I love this one. Once again, thank you to NB for his recommendation. This was amazing. Loved it so much. Yeah, wow. LYNYRD SKYNYRD, man. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for listening. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Subscribing is free once again. Yes, I will say that every time. Subscribing is free. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Mom, I'm done with my segment.